In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online during a quarantine using a site called Upwork. So that's how to make money online during a quarantine using Upwork. And the purpose of this video really is so that once you have decided what sort of work you want to post on Upwork, that you can get found. And so if you have a look here, I have the site Upwork opened, and say for example you wanted to go into article writing. You've decided that you want to offer a service on Upwork like article writing. The first thing you need to do is go and have a look at what particular gigs are available or what particular jobs people are offering. And because I think it's wise to get a feel for what sorts of work is out there, what sort of competition is out there. So I've just punched in article writing, and you can see that you can filter some of these searches. So and that way you can kind of target more specific phrases or key phrases. You can see that there's also suggestions down here. So these words are words that you might consider putting into your tags, into your title, into your tags, and into the description of the job that you post, because that's going to increase the likelihood of you being found. So for example, you may want to offer article writing and blog writing, or article writing, proposal writing. These are more specific, what they call long tail key phrases, which basically increase the likelihood that you're going to get found for that particular phrase or term. Now, some of the other factors that are going to influence whether or not you get found. So let's just go and have a look at a job here. And so you can see that this chap is offering expert article writing, blog writing, content writing, copywriting. So the sorts of so you can see that he's put a title, he's written a description, and he's offered more of a description down here, and his hourly rate, how much he's earned, how many jobs he's done, how many hours he's worked, and then he's given his work history and the feedback from the people that have hired him before. And then he's also, see, these are your tags down here, which you can put in when you post the job. Then his employment history and his education. So when you first post a job on Upwork, the title, the description, the tags, the photo, all these things are going to have an effect on whether or not you get found. Other factors such as the response time, so how quickly you respond, and with regards to the feedback, whether feedback has been given and whether the job has been closed out or not. All those things are going to play into whether or not you get found. And just a tip, when you write your description for your job, make sure that you put some of the, so for example, he's put expert article writing, blog writing, content writing, copywriting. He's put blog and copy. He's also put in his description, he's also put content. So those are all going to help him to rank in the searches. And the other thing I think that's worth a mention is just the job success rate. I mean, it's interesting that this guy's got an 85% job success rate, but he's ranked quite high for article writing. So there you have it. There's a quick video on the sorts of things that you need to pay attention when you first post your job on Upwork, when you get started during this period of quarantine. If you like this video, make sure that you smash the like button, the subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video.